Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for such a great response on my previous videos. And for all the requests for more swatches and reviews, I will be coming up soon with more and more of the reviews and swatches videos. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do this kind of blue-green eyes and the full face tutorial too. So I will be starting with prepping my skin for the makeup. First of all, I'm applying Lancome Advanced Genifique Youth Activating Serum, followed by Lancome Renergie Lift Multi-Action Day Cream. I couldn't show where I applied the cream as the part got blurred. Then I'm applying Lancome Renergie Lift Multi-Action Eye Cream under my eye area. Then I'm doing my brows using Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Pro Pomade. I'm using a color pop brush for it. Shaping the brows is a very necessary part of doing makeup to give it a complete look. Then I'm just brushing my brows using a Morphe brush as I really have very thick brows and it's necessary to give them a good direction. Then I'm just prepping my eyes using MAC Cosmetics Prolonged Wear Paint Pot. I have super oily eyelids, so it's a must to use the base. Now I'm using Tati Shape Tip Concealer to conceal my eyelids to remove any kind of discoloration. Now I have taken Morphe palettes 35C and 35U and I'm blending my crease line using a Morphe brush. I've taken a light peach color for the blending on my crease. Now I have taken blue color from the Morphe palette on a Morphe brush and applying it on the outer corner of my eye. So I'm just taking the color and depositing here. So now I will be taking the same color and depositing on the inner corner of my eyes. I will be blending these two shades slightly. Right now I'm just depositing the color to make the eyes look more and more pigmented. Always use a fluffy brush to deposit the color as the flat brushes don't give that kind of pigmentation which you need for the eye makeups to pop. I'm using my fingers to apply the green color on the center part of my eyelid. Later on, I'm just blending the three shades using another brush from Morphe. I'm not blending these colors too much towards the crease line because I want to give it a cut crease kind of effect. Now I have taken MAC Star Tip Face Compact Palette, which is all the amazing highlighters and blushers to highlight my brow bone. It's just a perfect shade for highlighting. Now I'm applying Lancome Crayon Kohl Pencil in shade 01, which is a very black shade. I'm applying it on my lower lash line, just on the outer sides and not covering my full lower lash line. I'm taking a NYX white jumbo pencil and applying it on the waterline of my eyes. Now I have taken the blue color on a flat gorgeous brush and just depositing the color on my lower lash line. Now coming to the face, as you have seen, I have already prepped my face using the cream serums under eye cream from Lancome. Now I'm applying Makeup Revolution liquid highlighter in champagne. I want this look to be a little glowy and it should look natural. I'm just blending it with a Morphe flat brush. After that, I'm using Lancome Tint Idol Ultra 24-hour long wear foundation. It's a very lightweight foundation and it's perfect for mature skin too. And it gives full coverage. So this is one of my favorite foundations apart from Huda Beauty Fox Filter Foundation. But that one can be heavy on the mature skin. I'm just blending it with the makeup sponge from Real Techniques. Just blend the makeup properly If you don't want to look your face clicky, just blend everything well. Now I'm using Tati Shape Tip Concealer to highlight my under eye area using a flat brush from Morphe. I'm also applying the same Tati Shape Tip Concealer on my chin and bridge of the nose and center of the forehead too. And I'm blending this concealer using the same Real Technique makeup sponge. I can do my whole face using just the beauty blenders and the makeup sponges. Now I've taken Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette and I will be taking the two dark shades on the corner to contour my face. The brush I'm using is from Benefit Cosmetics. I like to flaunt the jawline, so I'm just making it a bit sharp. Now I have taken Lancome Hypnose Drama Mascara. I just love the wand. As you can see the shape, it gives perfect volume to the lashes, making these look more curled in the upward direction. And the brush is just perfect for your lower lashes too. As you can see, there are no clumps and the eyelashes are looking so good. Now I'm applying Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick and Burnt Spice from MAC Cosmetics on my lips. It's just perfect peachy nude shade. And one of my favorite too. It's very lightweight and very long lasting. It's just perfect if you're going to a party. Now I'm applying Gold Rush Blush by Benefit Cosmetics on my cheeks using the same brush by Benefit Cosmetics. This blusher has some golden particles in it, which just adds on the sheen. Now I'm using Mary Luminizer by the BAM Cosmetics. I think everybody has heard about this amazing highlighter. Just see how it popped the whole look. I just love that glow. I literally can't live without highlighters when it comes to makeup. So I have highlighted my cheekbones, my bridge of nose, my chin area, and the center of my forehead. Next, I will be coming with detailed highlight and contour tutorial where I will teach every step in detail. You can also let me know if you want to know about any particular product, if you want to see swatches and reviews of any products in the comments, or if you want me to teach something as an eye makeup or face or anything, just anything related to makeup. So I just love to flaunt that highlighter. Yeah, the glow it gives to my face, I just love it. If you like this tutorial, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring the bell icon down below this video. Also, if you have any queries or feedback, you can email me or write down below in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I feel so grateful to have all the love and support from you guys. You can also follow me on other social media handles. The links are down below. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay blessed.